time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shock my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let's ask praise and thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing and mercy, so that I have the opportunity to present this video today. My name is Salsabila Kirani Yusman, and I am student of the Constitutional Law Study Program. In this video, I would like to explain the topic, constitutional rights. I hope this presentation will help us understand the importance of constitutional rights in protecting every citizen and upholding justice in a democracy context. So, with you for the let's begin. What are constitutional rights? Constitutional rights are the fundamental rights and freedoms guaranteed by a country's constitution. These rights protect people from the abuse of government power and ensure that everyone is treated with dignity and fairness. Constitutional rights are written in the highest law of the country. They cannot be easily changed by ordinary laws. They apply to all citizens and can be protected through the courts. Types of constitutional rights. 3 or 4 main types of constitutional rights. First, civil rights include the right to equality before the law, the right to due process, freedom from discrimination. This right ensures that every person receives equal treatment under the law. Second, political rights include the right to vote and be elected, freedom to participate in politics, the right to establish political parties. The rights allow citizens to participate in the democratic process. 3. Economic rights include the right to work, the right to receive fireworks, the right to sound property, the right to social security. These rights help people achieve economic well-being. 4. Social and cultural rights. The right to education, the right to preserve cultural identity, freedom of religion. These three support personal development of respect for divinity. Constitutional rights in Indonesia. In Indonesia, constitutional rights are protected by the 1945 Constitution, especially Chapter 10A, Article 28A to 28G. Some important examples are Article 28A states that every person has the right to live and defend their right life. Article 28B explains the right to form a family and constitutional lineage. Article 28C guarantees the right to education and the benefits of science technology. Article 28D guarantees legalization, protection, and for legal courtesy. Article 28 protect freedom of religion and worship. Article 28F gives us everyone the right to communicate and obtain information. Article 28 protect personal safety, family dignity, and property. And Article 28H guarantees the right to healthy service and a proportionate life. This article shows that the Indonesia constitutional rights strongly protect human rights. Important legal vocabulary. There are several important legal terms in this topic. Constitutional is the highest law of a country. Fundamental rights are basic rights that every person has. Judicial review is the power of court to review whether laws are constitutional. Due process means everyone has the right for fair legal procedure. Civil liberties are freedoms such as freedom of speech and religion. Sovereignty means the supreme authority of a state. Habeas corpus is a legal protection against unlawful declaration. Amendment means a formal change to the Constitution. Understanding their streams helps us understand constitutional law more clearly. The importance of constitutional rights. Constitutional rights are very important because they protect citizens from unfair treatment by the government. Without the rights, people could become victims of arbitrary decision. However, constitutional rights are not absolute. Sometimes they might be limited by law to protect public order, national security, or the rights of other people. For example, freedom of expression may be limited if it threatens national security. In Indonesia, the Constitutional Court has the responsibility to ensure the laws and government action follow the constitutional. If a person's constitutional rights are violated, they can see justice through the Constitutional Court. Example of constitutional right in daily life. Now, let me give you some simple examples of constitutional rights in our daily life. The first example is the right to education. Every Indonesian citizen has the right to receive an education. For example, students can attend school and university, regardless of their social or economic background. The government also provides scholarship and educational assistance to help students continue their education. The second example is freedom of religion. Everyone has the right to choose and practice their own without intimidation or discrimination. People are free to worship according to their beliefs, and the government must respect and protect this freedom. The third example is freedom of expression. Citizens have the right to express their opinions respectful. For instance, people can share their ideas, the thought, discussion, public forum, social media, or peaceful demonstration, as long as they obey the law and do not violate the rights of others. The fourth example is the right to legal protection. If someone is accused of committing a crime, they have the right to receive a fair trial and legal assistance. Every person is considered innocent until proven guilty by a court of law. The 50th example is the right to access information. Today, people have the right to obtain information from public institutions. This helps create transparency and accountability in government. These examples show that constitutional rights are not only legal concepts but also important for of our daily lives. By understanding and respecting the rights, we can help create a fair the community and peaceful attack and peaceful society. In conclusion, constitutional rights are essential for protection human dignity, freedom, equality, and justice. Every citizen should understand their rights because they are the foundation of democracy and the rule of law. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. I hope this explanation is useful and in process for understanding of constitutional rights. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.